Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to flash a ledger board. Flashing is a critical step when attaching a deck ledger to your home, as it creates a waterproof barrier. Without it, water can seep behind the ledger, leading to significant rot in your house's rim joist and the ledger itself. This easy method ensures your deck connection remains sound and dry for many years to come, protecting your investment. Before attaching your ledger board, proper surface preparation is key. First, ensure the house band board is clean and free of any loose debris or old caulk. A clean, dry surface allows for optimal adhesion. Next, apply a self-adhering flashing membrane, often called peel and stick, directly to the house sheathing, extending it at least 6 inches above the ledger's top edge. This creates your primary water barrier. With the ledger board now securely fastened, it's time for the crucial second layer of flashing. This piece, typically metal, should be bent into an L shape. Position the horizontal leg on top of the ledger, extending outward by about 1½ inches. The vertical leg extends up the house sheathing, overlapping the self-adhering membrane by at least 1 inch. This creates a robust, two-stage water diversion system. To complete the flashing process, apply a high-quality exterior-grade sealant along all exposed edges of the metal flashing, especially where it meets the house and the ledger board. Pay close attention to any fasteners that penetrate the flashing, sealing around them thoroughly. This final step ensures a watertight seal, preventing any moisture intrusion. Regular inspections will help maintain this barrier, keeping your deck and home protected for decades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.